Good morning, all my YouTube subscribers. Today I'm going to be letting y'all know what I got in my first Ipsy bag. So I've been hearing a lot about this subscription service, and I just wanted to try something different because I'm trying to get a little more into makeup. I wear a little bit, but I don't really wear a lot, so I just wanted to try some different brands, and I just like new stuff just like anyone else. So this is my first little pouch, and let's see what I have in here. Okay, first off, I got this nice lip, it's called Lipgasm lip gloss by Trust Fund Beauty. And I'm trying to see here. I love this color. Love, 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 love. Oh, I'm sorry. The color is Evil Genius, and it's by Trust Fund Beauty. See this? Beautiful, beautiful. If you haven't subscribed to this service before, they pretty much ask you your skin tone, the kind of products you prefer, what companies you prefer. And I think it's pretty nice. Pretty nice so far. Now, they also sent some Kat Von D concealer, Lock-It concealer cream. Now, I normally don't really use concealer, but I said I was going to try it just to see if it makes a difference. But I don't wear a lot of it. But I hear that this is a really good company here. I know a makeup artist, and she was just shocked that that came in that subscription package. Next, we have a mini universal brow pencil by Billion Dollar Brows. I bet you this works much better than those cheap Rite Aid brands. But you never know, you know. I will try these products, and I will be getting back to you on how they worked for me, but I just haven't had a chance to try them yet. And next we have a youth boosting honey and copper peel off mask. Haven't tried a mask in a while, so I'll definitely be checking that out. So everything. Lastly, let me tell you, this is by Hikari Cosmetics, and the color is Fierce. That's the name of it. And it lives up to its name, I'm telling you. It's like an eyeshadow. If I can just get into it here. Isn't that beautiful? I love this stuff. Oh, I stopped hearing it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'll be trying these, and of course more to come. And I'll probably be back next month. Y'all just have to let me know if y'all like these kind of videos. I know I have some male subscribers that, you know, might not care to see any makeup, and that's fine. Just go on to the next video. I will be posting more fitness videos in the future, or other topics, just depending on whatever I think of. But let me know what else you guys want to hear. But this is the Ipsy bag. This is a cute little bag it came in. I'm excited. Looking forward to next month. And it's only $10 a month. That's not a lot of money at all. You won't even miss that. But anyway, until next time, bye.